Hey guys, Jordan here, and today we are going to be doing a Game Maker tutorial. So, we're going to be making a platformer, so let's get started. So let's make our player. Yours will be better than mine, so I'm just doing this to teach you guys. So, do SBR underscore player, whatever you want to label that for your player. You can make this way better than mine. I'm just gonna have like a red square. You can also load the sprite from a file. Uncheck transparent. If you're on a PC, then you won't have to do anything because it's already unchecked. So that means it will make it so the sprite shows normal. So now let's make our object, which will be like the player, so it's as an object. This is just the picture. This is the actual object. So OBJ standing for object. Player. And then get this sprite from where it says no sprite right here. Click that. And now we can click now we want to start to do stuff, right? So let's do add event. Let's do the keyboard. Let's get the left and right done. So let's say so here, hold on a second. Where is it? Here, right here. So if the place is free, like next to it, so since we're going left, the x is minus. It's gonna be minus. So -3 away. If -3 away relatively, so that means it's not at that spot on the screen -3 on the x position -3. That means it's gonna be -3 like in front of it. You can actually kind of change that a little bit as you go through, and then like brackets or something, so we can be a little more organized. You don't have to do those, but just to be organized. Then we actually want to do, hold on. So this is the jump. Check relative, and we want to move 3. Oh, sorry about this. I meant to do 3. Let's test this out. Oh, whoops. Okay, so you have to actually make a room. So this is gonna be like our level. Here, let's name this just level. It's not really level yet, but just to name it. So it's not gonna have gravity or anything. So let's just test out what the code we did. Oh, so I did do it the wrong way. Sorry, guys. So it's gonna be -3. See, now when you press the left button, it moves left. If you guys want this to go a little faster, just change this speed, the jump to position. And we had to do relative for this because it's moving it's not going to move to -5, the x position -5. See, look what will happen if I do this. It just goes to -5. So when we check that, it goes -5, changes by -5. So now we want to do the right. So now let's duplicate this, duplicate event, and then we're going to do the same thing except right. And then we want to do, instead of -3, we want to do 3. And instead of 5, we want to make this 5. So now let's test our game. We can move left and right. Cool. So now let's start making our gravity and stuff. So in the step event, let's do, so we're going to say, here, grab it. Usually when I hover over it, it says something about it. So it's going to be moving in the direction 270, which is down at the gravity speed of 1, relatively. So it's changing by that. Let's see what it does. Oh, cool. Oh man. Yeah, so actually, let's uncheck that relative. I think that just did something. Yeah, see, now we drop. There's a few other ways of doing it, like, pretty sure we can do, like, vertical speed. Like, if you're not touching the ground, you can do the vertical speed of something, but gravity is just a cool way of doing it. So now let's say, whoops. Oh, this is the check collision. We want to do check empty. So, well, actually, let's do the check collision. Whoops. Well, actually, no. Okay. So, let's say collision with, so now, here we have to make the ground, because we have gravity, and there's nothing to go on. So, we just have our player falling down, but nothing to land on. So now, let's make a new sprite called SPR wall, and you can make this better than me, but I'm just gonna make this a purple ground. And remember, uncheck transparent. So now make an object, same as we did for the player. Do it for the wall though. Now do obj wall. So now all we have to do for the wall is check solid, because the wall is a solid. So, whoops. So guys, this is part 1 of my video. Get ready for part 2. Bye.